Hi, Chad.
Yeah, hey there, Gina. You know, the hotter and pretty humid day today gives you an idea what's happening in the weather right now. Everything is shifting kind of north. We've got our next storm system shifting north, and what that will do, make tomorrow warmer, more tropical, but also bring a severe weather threat to part of the viewing area. The front that went through last night is kind of weakening, but starting to move back north, and just south of there, we've got severe storm southeast Missouri. Now, why do I tell you that? Well, it's just south of the warm front, and it's just east of our developing storm system out here in the plains. And this will begin to move northeastward, take a track pretty much just like that, pull a warm front through and kind of bathe us in all that warm tropical air tomorrow. And with pretty strong jet dynamics and a pretty strong cold front, again, we have to insert that severe weather threat for especially later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. But today's warm. 88 here at the station, 88 Monticello, 85 Rochester, 90 Crawfordsville, dew point 68 at Frankfort with 88 right now. Here at the station, dew point 66, feels like 90. Fowler feels like 89 with the dew point running in the mid to upper 60s. So for the evening here, becoming mostly clear, 68 by 11 o'clock, winds light out of the southeast. Pollen tracker coming down tomorrow and into the weekend. First of all, some rain, and two, cooler, drier air coming in from Canada and taking the edge off some of that pollen, but mold spore count still pretty high. Periodic showers and storms tomorrow, especially afternoon and evening. 3/4 to 1.25 inches of rain. There may be an isolated high amount, and we will watch a severe weather threat too before it turns nicer for the weekend, and a drier, warmer pattern will start to move back in here next week. Tonight, upper 50s to low 60s. 59 Lafayette, 62 Crawfordsville, 58 at Chalmers. Tomorrow, again, warm front slowly lifting northward, so mid-80s in our southeast, but upper 70s in the north. 82 Lafayette, 80 Logansport, but 86 degrees at Crawfordsville. Notice on Futurecast, we're fine tonight. There may be a patch or two of fog, a few clouds, but tomorrow clouds up, and here comes some scattered shower and thunderstorms. They may start to get in here as early as noon, but I think the bulk of this, the most widespread rainfall, will be late afternoon, evening, and by 7 o'clock we may actually have a little line of storms coming through the viewing area with a severe weather threat before it gets out of here, and then we're in good shape for the rest of the night. But this is late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Isolated tornado possible, mainly as the warm front lifts northward, and some scattered wind and hail, pretty much viewing area wide except for the far northwest. Then the nicer weather starts to come in. We're going to be back into the 70s. Notice here, after any severe weather threat tomorrow, check out the high on Saturday. Dry, 76 degrees, and we stay in the 70s for a good chunk of next week. There is that 7-day forecast that looks pretty good right now. Saturday looks good, Sunday looks good, before we head back to 85 Thursday.
Well, that is going to be beautiful.